Well, the active weather already getting going this morning. A complex of storms diving south and now crossing the Ohio River is what's causing it, but there's also some individual cells, almost like if we were in the heating part of the day, but that's not the case. So it just gives you an idea of how unstable the air mass is sitting at this point. We now have a new severe thunderstorm warning. The old one is the bigger polygon that you see up here in Grant, a little bit of Owen County, some in Gallatin as well, but there's a brand new one right there, southern Owen County, really getting hammered with rain right now, some lightning getting going, but also possibility for damaging wind gusts, and that again goes until about 7:45. So keep that in mind if you are in southern Owen County or near it, and even on the other side of the county line into Scott, you've got some pretty heavy rain as well, and I guarantee you that those winds are going to slide east as well. Where you see some little pink, there's a little bit of a hail core in a few spots, maybe some small pea-sized hail coming in. Otherwise, it's a lot of heavy rain for Pendleton County, getting through northern Harrison down to Scott. That line continues all the way through Franklin. Frankfort about to get pummeled with rain. Goes through Shelby, Spencer, and all the way back towards Bullitt. Southern Fayette County, or at least southwestern Fayette County, likely going to get some rain coming in pretty soon for you. Northern Madison County, a light shower there. Not quite what's behind it, though, and that's stretching all the way from northern Boyle. We've got Mercer into Washington, down through Marion. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of heavy rain, a lot of lightning with these storms as well. So, obviously, there is a lot going on. Big complex. That was a low that was sliding east. It's going to continue to do so. But the next low is on approach, and that's going to get here as we get into the afternoon, evening. So there will be 2 rounds of thunderstorms throughout the day today. There's one. We do get a midday break, then the second one comes through, and that's the one that's going to bring in the chance for even more severe weather, and we'll likely have more than just 1 or 2 here and there. Regardless, the entire state right now is under a marginal risk except for the extreme southeastern edge. But do be aware that some really heavy rain, also damaging wind gusts and some hail certainly possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is an almost guaranteed threat as these storms roll through. So if you're heading out to the build day for the Habitat of Humanity, oh my goodness, Habitat House, it's going to be a pretty rainy one out there. Temperatures in the low 80s, very windy as well, as gusts get as high as 35 in a few spots, and that's just the collective wind. You get the thunderstorm wind on top of that, and you're talking about possibility of 40, 50 miles per hour. As we go throughout the next few days, it is a lot of rinse and repeat. Showers and thunderstorms really getting going throughout the day tomorrow and Tuesday. We'll start to calm down as we get towards the end of the week. That's when we do see a little bit of a break in the pattern before we get into another active one, which will bring us into the weekend. Notice how temperatures stay pretty much right around normal for this time of the year, which is about 83 degrees. We will dip down into the week as a cold front comes through. That's why we have a break in the action. Some high pressure will move in, but it seems like as we get into the weekend, we could ramp back that energy as we get another low that comes through. So breezy for today. We've got a couple of rounds, one this morning, one again this evening, and everyone has a chance. It's not just going to be in specific parts of the state. Anywhere you live, except for the extreme southeast, you're going to have a pretty decent shot at some showers and storms, and they continue overnight as that line pushes through. So for your 8-day forecast, just prepare for a lot of indoor weather days the next few, especially beginning of the week into the middle. Into the week, cold front comes through. It's not really going to bring a whole lot of cold air. It will chill us down to about the upper 70s. Overnight lows will get down to the mid 60s, and what that means is it'll feel a little bit better getting into the end of the week as that humidity gets cut. But big turnaround. Into the weekend, we'll see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms showing up Saturday afternoon. Hopefully clearing it out Sunday, but it will be a lot warmer, and that humidity is going to be cranked right back up. So showers and storms really throughout the next few days, and some of that will have the potential to be severe at times. More news after the break.